Hi, my name is John Henderson. I am the Upper Mississippi River Restoration Program Manager for the St. Paul District. The Upper Mississippi River Restoration Program, also known as UMRR, has been around for 40 years and has completed 60 plus projects up and down the river. And it's been going on for decades. Lots of amazing people have done a lot of great projects, and we've been able to restore a lot of acres through this program. And being able to be a part of that has been such a unique and rewarding experience, because a lot of people don't even realize this kind of job exists. Really, what we aim to do is develop great projects, but a lot of that also depends on getting funding. So what I work to do is help develop budgets, find what our engineers, what our biologists, what our foresters need, funding-wise, resource-wise, when they need it, and then we help fund the projects as they're needed based on what the river needs. I think the thing I like the most about my job is the people I get to work with. Everyone, no matter their background, is so passionate about working on the river and the work that we do.